Think fish can't fly? Think again. The flying fish is a real ocean escape artist. Belonging to the Exocoetidae family, it uses powerful tail beats to reach speeds up to 60 km/h before bursting through the surface. Instead of true flight, it performs controlled glides that can stretch over 200 meters. Even crazier, it can tap its tail against the water mid-air to relaunch and extend its glide. And here's the wild part. Some can stay airborne for up to 45 seconds, using wind currents to escape predators. They're found in warm tropical oceans worldwide